Hello friends, today we are going to display the reading time on WordPress post. A reading time can be very useful for your visitors to just see the reading time here, like the complete article is 5 minutes, so it encourages the users to read your full article. If the article is very long and users might think that the article is very long, and he may or may not read the full article. If the users just see the reading time here, he can be encouraged to read all the article. So this is very useful. You may see these in a very big sites like medium.com. They have also displayed the reading time post. So same, we are going to display the reading time on our website. So you need to install a plugin, that is to type reading time WP. So this is the very first plugin that we need to install, which is by Jason Youngling, and click just install now. And now just activate the plugin. Now the plugin has been successfully activated. You can just click on the setting, and inside setting you can see the option that is reading time WP. Now if you go to the main menu, you can click any of the article and can easily find out the reading time on any of the post. Now you can change the reading time to read time, like you can just delete the ing form and update. If you now refresh this, you may be able to see that it's only read time 5 minutes. I will make it to the default and click on update. Same, there are other features that you can include or exclude from the images, or you can display on them post, display on attachment, and other useful options. But this is very useful, especially for bloggers, and hope you like the video, and if you do so, just share that with your friends. Thank you.